Hello everyone. What if I tell you that my first freelance interior design project was when I was still in second year of my college and had no design experience whatsoever. But if you follow along the tips that I am going to share with you, then the reality can be yours and you can get your first freelance interior design project all by your own. So you all must be wondering कि how did it start and मुझे ये project कैसे मिला. So my first tip for you would be to make as many connections as possible. So here's a small story. I was sitting in the college canteen and I was approached by a friend of mine, and he told me that he was opening an ice cream shop and wanted someone to have designed a simple and a minimalistic interior for them. So I agreed, but at first I wasn't sure, but eventually I agreed. And then after I said yes, वो imposter syndrome जो मुझे hit किया, unbelievable. But eventually I said let's trust myself and let's carry on. So this is what I exactly did. Number one, open Pinterest and look for reference, because you all must be aware with Pinterest and how सारे design students का सबसे favorite app वही है. So I opened Pinterest and took lot of inspiration, sent out to my client, and eventually we agreed upon a bit of the theme and the kind of colors we wanted to use. But still, I wasn't sure how I will execute it. So now let's move to the juiciest part that you all must be waiting for. कि design actually कैसे किया. I did not had any design experience, so portfolio भी नहीं था. तो मैंने उनको क्या दिखाया मेरे client को. So what I did was I had some college assignments with me. I invited my friend to my classroom and briefly showed him the kind of assignments we are doing and how the design follows. So there was all the working drawings, the furniture layout, and the simple modeling that I knew at that time. मैंने उसका सहारा लिया and वो सब मेरे client को दिखाया, and he did actually like it. So another thing to keep in mind is always be apt with your assignments. Keep them ready so that if you ever get a freelance project, you will have at least something that you can show to your client. But you know what's the most difficult part was? Communicating with the client and actually deciding how the shop would look like, because when you're working with clients, some things you may like, something they might not, so you have to come to a common ground. बहुत सारी images collect करनी पड़ती है, references you need, so there should be a conversation, crystal clear conversation that you should have with your client. And the number one thing to keep in mind is never do it for free. If you are the kind of person who are looking for experience, then okay, go ahead, but I did not do it for free, and I would suggest you don't do it for free, because you're putting in your hard work and all the work and all the software that you would be using. So free में आजकल कौन ही काम करके देता है. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो था वो बहुत एक बेसिक सा वर्क था. मुझे एज अ एग्जीक्यूशन I wasn't appointed. मेरा फर्स्ट डिज़ाइनिंग का मेन था. So what I did was I designed according to their budget, and it was a small shop, so the budget was very minimal, and the materials that I had to keep in mind were very basic and moderate quality के materials. So आप budget के बारे में जैसे कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं वो हमेशा माइंड में रखिए कि किस तरह से आप वो अपने एक्चुअल साइट पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. That is one thing that I actually abided by. बजट स्टार्टिंग से ही क्लियर था कि कितने का ये शॉप डिज़ाइन होगा, कितना एग्जीक्यूशन में लगेगा. दो एग्जीक्यूशन मैंने नहीं किया, बट डिज़ाइनिंग में भी जो मटेरियल यूज़ हुआ, जो भी फ्लोर के मटेरियल थे, वॉल के पैनलिंग के मटेरियल्स थे, ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. ये काम कुछ 2 वीक्स चला. मैंने पूरा मेजरमेंट लिया साइट का एंड उसको ऑटोकैड पे ड्राफ्ट किया. तो बेसिकली आपको सॉफ्टवेयर आना ज़रूरी है. ऑन अ साइड नोट, मुझे तभी कॉलेज में ऑटोकैड अच्छे से आता था एंड मेरा स्केचअप चल रहा था थोड़ा थोड़ा. तो मैंने बेसिक मॉडल और उसको रेंडर करके उनको दिया था. बट मेजरली मुझे जो आता था ऑटोकैड, I took advantage of that and provided them with detailed working drawings. As you can see, मैं कुछ images सबकी links कर देती हूँ, मैं लगा देती हूँ ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए कि किस तरह की drawings मैंने तभी दी थी. तो ये drawings बहुत simple हो सकती है because obviously I was still in second year and मैं सीख ही रही थी. If you are going to wait to feel ready to say yes to your first project, you're going to wait forever. So जैसे ही आपको ऐसा लगे कि ये काम आ रहा है, आप कर सकते हैं, just say yes. Don't wait because you will, trust me, never feel ready. You have finally made it to this far of the video. Then let me tell you the 3 most important things that you can take away from this entire video. Number 1, say yes to opportunities and more opportunities will follow. Number 2, communicate all the things and all the projects and all the designs and all the deliverables that you are going to be giving to your client in the beginning. And third, if you are passionate about doing what you love, people are going to see that and give you more work. You're also a design student and would like to know how you can grow your own personal brand, then make sure to subscribe because I will be posting more videos on how I grew my own personal brand while still being in college. Thank you.